Hey, we want you at Shocker Hitch. We are growing. And I'm in our new facility here in Jamestown, and we also got another facility across town that we're setting up. But we are hiring for powder coating, 2 shifts, Monday through Thursday, 4 10-hour days. And we also have a second shift that is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Work 12 hours a day, get paid for 40. We also have openings for machine operators for Cobot Welding, and so you can learn some high-tech welding. And we have an opening for a quality control person, and we have lots of good benefits, 15 days paid time off. We also have 7 days paid holiday. We have health insurance, eye insurance, vision insurance, dental insurance, so you got good looking teeth. And we pay 90% of a single, and we're growing. And so there's lots of opportunity here. You can learn more at shockerhitch.com/careers. And we're just looking for people who like to work hard and really kick some butt.